The bottom's done.
Huh?
I'm pretty sure the bottom's done because
Well, you gotta wait till there's bubbles all over the top side. Okay.
Can I do it?
Flip them. You gotta be really freaking careful. Get the small ones first.
Ooh.
Oh, it's okay. That's just fine. Just fine. Okay. Now, nope, it's in your wrist. See, you're moving it too much. You gotta just turn your wrist a bit. Go ahead and here. Let me fix this one real quick. Sorry.
I
know.
did.
You can cook the next set. But we're gonna cook them both. Here, go ahead. Okay. Now the trick is, you turn your wrist. Okay. Just turn your wrist. There you go. Like a champion with a quickness.
Oh look, the dinosaur!
Uh-huh.
Except it's melting.
So we used...
Look, there's actually a dinosaur egg right there.
We used dinosaur egg oatmeal in our pancake batter.
Yes, we did.
So that.
It is complete awesomeness.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, it is.
And it's the strawberries, so this ought to be good.
There's only one strawberry thing right
And
there.
this is how you, you're kind of like a mad scientist when you're in the kitchen.
What?
Uh-huh. You can be.
We are a mad scientist, okay? We are.
No, we are. Go ahead and flip the small ones one more time. I don't think they're crispy enough. Oh, look at that. See? Isn't that awesome?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Oh, those are looking good. Okay, the big one should be done. Let me get a plate for you.
No, this one's Lori.
Well, I mean, you know, you're cooking, so...
Okay. Do you think it's done?
Here. Yeah, it looks pretty done to me.
It should look like a pancake.
Oh, man. There we go.
And that's how you make Mickey Mouse cupcakes.
Pancakes.
Pancakes.
Okay, so you can make your own. Here, let me get the butter for you. You gotta have butter. Okay, go ahead and use this spoon and pour down your own cakes. Go ahead. Because that's the last of the butter.
Hold it. Yeah. Okay.
More. Give it a nice big spoonful for the big one. Careful. You're going to spill. Okay, there you go.
Let's see.
It's okay. And then you make your 2 ears.
Let's
That's
see.
not good enough.
Those are going to be the little ones for you. You get
okay,
some.
I get some. Thanks. Oh, okay.
I'm making it one whole one.
Alright.
To make it kind of look like Grandpa's old kind. Oh, Dad, I got some on the
It's okay. I'll clean it up. Yeah, hey, I guess you could do it that way. That works. Huh. I mean, you little smarty pants.
I'm going to make some for you, okay, Daddy?
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. If I must.
Because you must be hungry.
I'm not that hungry, babe. That's okay. I'll try them. Since you made them.
I'm making a tiny...
It's been a long time since I made oatmeal pancakes.
You made oatmeal pancakes?
It's been a while. Huh? Yeah.
Okay. So, give me... You get to do mine.
Did you just say damn it?
Huh?
You just said damn it.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did. Hey, it's okay. It's just fine. Look. See?
Okay.
Oh, that one? Okay, yeah. I guess it's ready. To flip. There you go. Now it's hot enough. Normally I let them get crispier, and then you let bubbles get all over the underside. Okay, and then Emily's plate. Well, no, that one's not done. Just let it sit there and cook. Oh, crap.
Oh,
It's okay.
suck.
No, shit. Knock that off. Don't talk about yourself that way. You do not. Here, you go ahead. Just go from there.
I don't want to break
Go from there and slide it real fast. You gotta underneath. No. Here.
I'm trying to do
Okay, hold it with me. Hold it with me. Come on. Okay. There you go, see?
It's broken.
No, it's not broken. Look, we'll fix them. And the big thing is it's going to taste amazing. Because you cooked it. See? Look, he's still fine. He just separated.
I need the baby one. I think is done.
Here, I'll get it. I got fingers of iron from cooking so long.
This one is gonna be for the cat.
For the cat? You think he'll eat it?
Yeah, he'll eat anything.
He's a big boy. Where is he, anyways?
He's in there with Rory.
Is he?
Yeah.
Tubby cat.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Go ahead. Okay. And then we just put the other one.
The ear.
There you go. And there's Emily's own homemade Mickey
And it
Mouse.
has a nose. It has a nose.
Mickey Mouse pancakes.
And it has a nose.
Oatmeal raisin, or oatmeal strawberry Mickey Mouse pancakes. How do they taste? Pretty awesome.
Or else would I be continuing eating?
No, you got a good point there. I love you. Smart ass. All right.
Hey! And I also make 2 tiny ones.
Okay.
Right here.
We can go ahead and put those on the extras plate. Here. And then, you want me to take these ones to Lori? Okay, that's Emily's first pancakes. Good job, Ems.
Thanks.
I love you. Hey, good job.
Thanks.
You rock.
Smile face.
You smile. Let me see. Yeah, that's pretty cheesy.
Yeah.